We'll guide you through how to find private group on Telegram. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want an easy way to find and join private or niche Telegram groups that are not easily discovered through regular search. Using a bot like 𝗕𝘂𝘀𝗶𝘲𝗀𝗀 helps them browse groups by country and category. Clear instructions make the process simple, especially for beginners. To begin this tutorial, click Google Chrome on your home screen to open the browser and wait until it fully loads. Once the browser is ready, click Search on your Google Chrome browser by selecting the address bar at the top of the window. Next, type web.telegram.org into the address bar exactly as written, then press Enter on your keyboard to open the Telegram web page. When the website loads, click Login by phone number to access your account. Enter your phone number in the field provided, making sure you select the correct country code before typing the number. After entering your phone number, click Next to send a code to your phone number for verification. Wait until you receive the verification code on your phone, then enter your code in the field provided, and you will be automatically logged into your Telegram account. Once you are logged in, click Search at the top of the Telegram web interface to find a specific bot. Then type 𝗕𝘂𝘀𝗀𝗀𝗀 into the search bar carefully and wait for the result to appear. Once it appears in the search results, click the contact to open the bot conversation. Next, click Start at the bottom of the chat to activate the bot and begin using its features. After starting the bot, select the country of the private group you want to search for from the options provided. Then select the group category you want based on your interest or purpose. Next, select the group you want from the list shown by the bot. After choosing the group, click Open Channel to open the group page. You will automatically be entered into the group preview page. To officially join, click Subscribe to join the group. Once you click Subscribe, you will automatically become a member of the group and can start viewing messages and participating in discussions.